You will utilize the user input to perform a search by calling the SERP API tool using the following format, and then it's basically spelled out here. So it's doing a Google search for images, which I'm going to talk about in a second, using all of the user inputs and then the word worksheets. And then we provide an example here. If there are no IEP considerations, omit this field from the search query. So basically, if the student doesn't have any IEP considerations, just don't worry about that. Don't include it and just search for grade level, subject, and topic. You are looking for example worksheets, image files that are relevant to the search query and will serve as inspiration for the next agent who will use them to create a worksheet for the teacher whom you are assisting. Important, prioritize using results from these sources. So those are just high quality educational material sources that we want to reference as much as possible when they're, and then output the results of the 3 image URLs and description as follows. So I want it in this format. We're not looking for text files or like website URLs. We specifically want image files. Okay. And basically, if we come in here to the structured output parser, this is just copy and pasted the JSON example that it's going to use as its output template, but that's copied and pasted from the system instructions where it also lives. So this is just letting it know this is the format that we want it in. So it's just creating one JSON output that we can then pass to the next step in the workflow. Next, we have a split out node, and it's going to split it out by output.urls. And basically that's just splitting it out one item at a time, as opposed to just an entire array that contains the URLs within it. And the reason for that is we are passing it on